So I told my neighbor upstairs the other day that his guitar playing was great, and I wished him a happy new year, just, you know, to be nice. And I don't do voiceovers very often. But of course, the one goddamn time he's playing his guitar while I film this. So if I get copyrighted, I'm gonna be pissed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and if you are new, thank you so much for coming here. I'm Julia, and I'm so freaking flippin' excited to share this new series with you. I am doing an astrology series, but I'm putting a little twist on it. I thought about going a more costumey, Halloween-y astrology route and do the classic astrology makeup that you would see if you just googled astrology makeup. And then I was like, that's boring. So instead, I decided to do something a little bit more trendy, a little bit more happening right now, and give you guys some looks that are going to be wearable, are going to be fun. They're gonna have embellishments, glitter, all that fun stuff, but they're going to represent your astrology sign. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with astrology, and I could literally talk about it all day long. So comment your astrology sign down below and let me know just something unique about your astrology sign, because I'm curious. If you're wondering, I am a Pisces, Virgo rising, and a Libra moon. I have a lot of Aquarius in my chart too. It's a little interesting over here. I wanted to do a little intro for this video because this video kicks off my entire astrology series. You guys are gonna be seeing a brand new astrology inspired look every single day for 12 days for every single astrology sign, and I'm really excited to be here and share that with you. We're gonna get into this makeup, and I'm gonna tell you all about the very first sign in the zodiac that kicks off spring, Aries.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my very first video of my astrology series. Are you excited? Oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna take a little bit of a different approach to this. You guys see me do makeup every single damn day. If you want to know some details on how I did this makeup or any details on like how I brought it to life, or you need me to explain something, please comment it down below, because I am gonna talk about Aries and why this look I feel is the Aries makeup. So Aries, how to know if you are an Aries or not, and just your sun sign. Aries is between the birthdays of March 21st and April 19th. There's no such thing as a cusp. So if you are born on the 21st, between March 21st and April 19th, you, my love, are an Aries sun. Now, Aries is a fire sign represented by the ram. Its ruling planet is Mars in the first house, and a couple of like little tidbits on an Aries is that they are very competitive. They love to win. They're independent, passionate, sexy. They liven and stimulate, and they're dramatic but warm. Now, if that doesn't scream the color red to you, I don't know what does. I really researched every single astrology sign and just looked into like what is going to help me create a makeup look for all of the astrology signs. And I read a lot about them, and I researched a lot about them, and I just literally, oh my God, if you saw the paper that's in front of me with all my research, you'd be like, are you nuts? Yes, I in fact am nuts. Now, the red, I saw a lot of people and a lot of brands and a lot of just websites and everything relating Aries to the color red, and passionate screams red to me, fire sign screams red to me, but there were a lot of things that represent an Aries that I wanted to show in this look. First of all, organization skills. That's why I went with a graphic liner, because I don't know, to me graphic liners are like crazy, but they're like graphic, they're straight, they're not blended. They are just like boom, boom, bang, done. And then of course, red. And then I feel like they just have this like enthusiasticness to them, Aries. So you will see in just a moment, I added some gems and some diamonds. And this look right here is actually inspired by this beautiful, amazing artist that I found on Instagram. I'm going to tag her in the description below. Of course, I'm an asshole, forgot her name, but I'm going to tag her in the description below so you can check her out. And I'm also going to tag her in, of course, all of my other posts too, so you can see her work. But let me tell you guys, I have so many Aries in my life, and I don't know how, I don't know why. I don't hate it. I'm happy with that. I like it. My best friend is an Aries. My manager is an Aries, and I feel like I'm missing like other people that I know are Aries, that there's so many Aries in my life. And for some reason, I feel like Aries are very similar to me, but I don't know how and I don't know why. Astrology is so much more complicated than meets the eye. That's why I say take everything that I say in these like little snippets, these voiceovers lightly, because you may not resonate with everything that I mention about an Aries, because there might be something else in your full chart, your birth chart, that affects your signs as a whole. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this voiceover, and learning more about an Aries. Let me know what your signs are, your moon sign, your sun sign, your rising sign. If you know all of that, let me know down below. Or if you want me to just completely roast you and your sign, please. Or maybe like your ex-boyfriend or something like that, please. Leave it down below. I will happily do so. But I hope you guys love this video. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys love this look. And I can't wait to share the rest of the series with you.